Hello everybody, my name is Max, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you exactly one-to-one Nike reseller on CNFans. So yes, if you are looking for the Nike products, whether these are the Travis Scott shoes or maybe the regular Air Forces, Nike t-shirts, Nike hoodies, gloves, or maybe the bandanas, we have all of them. Let me introduce you into the Nike store, all around the Nike store on the CNFans. Not everyone wants to buy the flashy items. Some of you probably want to buy the regular Nike products as well on CNFans for a fraction of price. So you can literally just save hundreds of money if you just buy a lot of them. And I totally understand that, so I'm showing you the store with the one-to-one quality products from the Nike. Once you click in the description, go to link to this store, and they do have the normal items for a very attractive price. So for example, let's say I want to purchase this Nike t-shirt. Here you go. You've got that for as little as $4. And you know, you've got the wife beaters, some Laker shorts, trousers, polos, regular t-shirts, everything you want is here. Some long sleeves as well, they're available here. So yes, the list goes on. As you can see, you've got many different Nike products, and you can literally buy whatever you want to. They're all Nike products and they're amazing quality. So if you like it, please buy it. You've got nothing to worry about. If you don't have the CNFans account, please sign up with my link to the CNFans. They're running a campaign where you can get like 80% off, so it's amazing. And also, if you are looking for more products, if you want to purchase more products and CNFans, whether these are the Nike products, whether these are the Adidas products, Balenciagas, Dior, Mason Margiela, Acne Studios, or Golden Goose, you've got hundreds of different links here in my spreadsheet, or I should say 3,000 different links. So yes, we've got 3,000 different items here on this spreadsheet. And you know, if you just simply want to get the Nike, you've got a store. You have a link down in the description as well to this store that I just showed you. Check out my other videos. I also recorded those for the Zara and the H&M. As you can see, here is the list for the Zara products. You have also the link down in the description. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye.